Hello, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite sewing projects that are great for making last-minute Christmas gifts. Here are some of my really quick projects that are like 5, 10, 15-minute projects. And one of my more popular ones is this little coffee cup cozy. And what it has is there's Velcro on each end. You wrap it around your cup and Velcro it. And I have them for two different sizes, small and large. Now when you're putting little gifts in the Christmas stocking, you can make these little almost throwaway candy bags. They're so fast, just a couple of minutes to make. Also, if someone likes to read, this is a book marker. This is a drink coaster. It's got a little sports theme on it. You can make these out of any theme that you want for holidays or maybe some special hobby that they like. I have many, many hair bands and little scrunchies like this. And this is a sunglass case. Here are some other really fast projects. These three here that you see, it's a notebook that you can buy and that you put an elastic pencil case around it. So it's got this zipper pencil case with elastic that you just slip over the cover of the notebook. You can use any fabrics that you want, make it any theme that you want. This is also a notebook cover. So in here is a notebook of any type that you want, whether it's just for plain paper. This has got a little day planner in it, and you just insert your notebook inside and it's got a snap closure. Here are pin cushions, and these are some of the real basic ones that I have, very, very quick to make. This is a key ring that you can put someone's initial on the fabric and attach it to the ring. And then this is a little stretchy headband, really, really simple to make. Here is a really simple, basic zipper bag. And I have a really easy technique to put this zipper in. And again, you can make these any size that you like. If you want something even easier, here are snap bags. So you open it and it snaps back closed. Then these are just very small little zipper pouches. And what's nice about these is it has a snap to keep it closed. It has a compartment here on the front, a zipper compartment in the middle, and another compartment in the back. We use these all the time. They hold so much stuff. This is really a quick project and also a great little stocking stuffer. It's called a wristlet. You put it on your wrist and it has a little key ring on the bottom and you can attach your keys to it. Now, not only do I attach keys, but here's one with a whistle. So if you like to go out walking in the evening or super early in the morning and you're a little worried, you can attach a whistle to it. Now you can also attach a wristlet to other little zipper bags. These are the little round ones, and then you can also attach other little keychains with some novelty pieces on it. Here is a very basic cosmetic bag or toiletry bag, and it's also got a boxed shaped bottom so you can put a lot of items in this. And then here are another, or I should say here is another little zipper pouch. And with it, I made this matching piece that is a personal tissue cover holder. These are only maybe 5 minutes to make. So this makes a nice little gift set. Now here's another idea. Now I know for many of you who like to give gift cards or even cash as a gift, here is an idea. These are gift card holders. They will fit just that in there. Now, if you want to make it larger, you could, but it's specifically designed for a gift card. You can make them for any season or any type of personality that you want on it. This has got hearts, plaid, Christmas fabric, birthday fabric, polka dots, girly stuff. And then this has, you could give for a student because it's got school books and pencils on it. And here's a pouch that you can put cash in it if you want to. So here it is. It should be big enough to put your cash in there if you like to give money. I know many of us do, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'll take the cash anytime. And then here's another one, so you can make it for Christmas or any other season or personality type. Often when I give items for the kitchen, like this pot holder and towel, I like to attach something that they can use in their kitchen. For instance, on this pot holder, I have a little kitchen utensil, something that you can scrape and lift up. And then this one is a little Christmas bell cookie cutter. And now here's a really helpful little towel that people can use. It's known as a boa towel, and you bring it up around your neck, it hangs down, and you've got your own personal towel you can carry all over the kitchen with you, hands-free. This is a little shoulder bag, and it is really quick to make and really easy. And all you need is a couple of fat quarters of fabric. So if you like working with fat quarters, this is a great idea. 10 or 15 minutes to make, so it's got a shoulder strap. You can make it any length. It has a little snap on the front and a pretty good size area for storage. Well, I hope you're inspired and you're ready to make a shopping trip to the fabric store or go through all of your scrap fabrics. You may not need to go to the fabric store. Also, remember, all of the links are listed below your YouTube screen because I have tutorials on everything that I've shown you and even more. So scroll down below your YouTube screen to the description section and expand it open, and you will see many, many links that you can click on that'll take you to all of these fun projects. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.